So how many times has the question been asked, what's the better investment, real estate or the stock market? So let's see if we can answer that question once and for all. Personally, I like to invest in both, but a lot of folks have their own individual preferences, just like some people like chocolate ice cream and some prefer vanilla. But lately, in this time of the COVID virus, investors are flocking to the real estate market really like never before. So let me give you some reasons why I think real estate has the definitive edge over stocks. Number one, cash flow. Real estate generates cash flow, plain and simple. Those rent checks that keep coming in month after month. Of course, over time you're going to have some vacancies, but especially here in the San Diego market, your vacancies should be minimal. Of course, I recommend using a good professional property manager. They've got the tools to ensure that your vacancies are going to stay low. But cash flow is a normal, expected part of real estate, and you don't necessarily get that in the stock market. Reason number two, tax deductions. This is a big one. The government allows these deductions in the real estate world, and you don't get this in the stock market. You can write off a lot of your expenses, property taxes, insurance, almost all of your maintenance, property management fees, even non-cash write-offs like depreciation and more. So it's not uncommon. You can get to the end of the year and you might have a nice big fat bank account due to your cash flow, yet when you go to file your tax returns, you might be showing a loss. So real estate, it's a great hedge. It's a great tax write-off. Number three, equity buildup over time. This especially applies when you have a mortgage loan against your property. Every month you make that payment, the principal of that loan gets paid down. And then as time goes on, more and more of your payment goes to that principal reduction and less goes to the interest portion. So even if the property doesn't go up in value, you're still building up equity. And it's for this reason I don't really recommend interest-only loans unless you have a super short holding period. Another benefit with the loan against your real estate is you're able to leverage your investment. What does this mean? For example, you put 20% as a down payment, yet you get to control 100% of the appreciation, 100% control of the asset. So unlike the stock market, where it's called buying short, where it's generally super risky and it's irresponsible to invest with borrowed money, unless you're a skilled and experienced stock market investor, of course. And then number four, appreciation. If you bought a property, say you just sat on it for 10 years, you didn't do a thing to it. You didn't collect rent, you did nothing. Would it be worth more, say 10 years from now? The answer almost always would be yes, especially here in coastal San Diego. Properties go up in value over time. Why is this? Because homes are mostly a limited and sometimes scarce asset, and it's typically in really high demand. And for this reason, super attractive to investors. Number five, tangibility. With real estate, you get control. You can drive by your real estate. You can walk around it, touch it, see it, feel it. Many folks here in San Diego, they also get to use it. They rent it out most of the year as a vacation rental and then get to use it for their family when it's not occupied. You can't get this in the stock market. So there certainly are downsides and there's risks to real estate investing compared to the stock market. Real estate is not real liquid. You can't just pull your money out the same day like you can in the stock market. Real estate can also be more hands-on. It can be work, where stock market's considered a little bit more passive. So I'm happy to talk to you about what might be the right thing for your personal situation. But if you want to achieve long-term stable income, I believe real estate's the way to do it. So call me. I'm happy to take a deeper dive with you on this subject. All right, thanks.